Hey guys, today we're gonna compare SoFi and Capital One 360. Which is better? If you're trying to choose between SoFi and Capital One 360, they both offer free banking and high yield savings, but they cater to different needs. Here's how they compare. First of all, we will talk about fees and account features. SoFi has no monthly fees, it has free overdraft protection and early direct deposit, perfect for fully digital experience. On the other hand, Capital One 360 has no fees on checking and savings, plus physical branches for those who prefer in-person service. Let's talk about savings and interest rates. SoFi has higher APY, but only with direct deposits. Capital One 360 has competitive APY without deposit requirements and flexible saving accounts. What about credit and debit cards? SoFi offers a cashback credit card that integrates with SoFi Invest. Capital One, on the other hand, access to Capital One's wide range of cashback and travel rewards credit cards. Let's talk about investing and extra features. SoFi Invest for stocks, crypto, and robo-advising. Capital One 360 has strong banking features, but no built-in investment platform. So, which one is better? SoFi is best for higher savings rates, investing, and digital-first lifestyle. Capital One 360 is ideal if you want physical branches, flexible savings, and premium credit cards. So which bank do you prefer? Let us know in the comment section below and subscribe for more fintech comparisons and money tips.